Hey everybody, welcome back into another Jacob Cryptobury video. Today we're checking out some meme coins, some shit coins. We're also looking at some very important UK regulations which will potentially set in and change the crypto game forever. If you're new to the channel, do make sure you subscribe. Get yourself into the Discord so you can see the next 10x cool before the general public. And let's crack on with this video as we also look at a very new whale developed coin which is pumping exponentially at the moment too. So let's have a little look at what's going on. Lots of coins are pumping still in the market, which is good, but we are seeing the overall meme sentiment on a slight decline at the moment. We can see that the search volume, the trend for meme coins here on Google Trends is dropping ever so slightly. Before we get into that, it's a Sunday, so we should look at some regulations and some crypto news to remind ourselves and refresh ourselves of the state of play in the current crypto market. So we can see UK Treasury Committee urges government to regulate crypto as gambling. The UK Treasury Committee proposed handing oversight to Gambling Commission. This is absolutely crazy, guys. So betting on crypto may soon be regulated as a traditional gambling event in the United Kingdom. That proposal means that the Gambling Commission would oversee crypto activities in the UK using the Gambling Act 2005 as its guide. Crypto trades, therefore, would also be taxed as gambling, possibly with levies or levies to support the debt advice and addiction services for which it fuels demand. The report recommends the government takes a balanced approach to supporting the industry's development, warning the unbacked crypto assets with no intrinsic value like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other top 10 or 100 altcoins out there in the space. So I think they are truly referring to things like shitcoins, meme coins, which don't really have any intrinsic value. You know, they're very euphoric. It's a very short-term pump, usually followed by a dump or something like that. And we have no real transparency, KYC, and, you know, I suppose like proof of identification with the developers on most of the cases. So this is what's going on at the moment, and this is the state of play in the meme coin markets, because basically all the risk that's involved is very interesting. It says the committee then flagged crypto's inherent price volatility as a fuel catalyst for substantial gains or losses while serving no useful social purpose. So they're kind of separating, you know, Bitcoin holding and I suppose trading meme coins and shitcoins, which is kind of a good thing. To reflect on Bitcoin, what's happened recently over the last 7 days for Bitcoin? Well, there's been a lot of volatility. We're seeing highs of 27.5 and the lows of 26.5, chopping sideways, yet we're seeing a price range of $1,000 both north and south here, so quite rocky. But retrospect, looking at the previous $30,000 mark in a crypto bear market, it comes of no surprise that we had this correction at this psychological resistance level. I mean, we're still in a bear market and the economies are being hammered right now. But the coin that we are exploring, and this is not a financial advice, this is also not a sponsored piece, but it's the RFD token, the Refund token, which is going pretty crazy at current time. So I want to show you guys what this particular coin is firstly. But just looking at the price action, when a coin, guys, I just want to reiterate this fact. When a coin has already done 2,000% or a 20x, this is not a good time to buy. Please do not FOMO in because of the euphoria and the greed, because the upside potential is now minimized. And when we look at the Etherscan side of things for this coin, they've got 3,000 holders, which, okay, is not an incredible amount. But when we look at, you know, the DEX tools again, and we look at the market capitalization being 20 million, you know, the upside is limited. It's not going to do 100x from here, and we really just don't know what could happen next. Anyhow, this support level right here that we're looking at from this swing low to swing high, we are starting to retest what looks like the 0.382 Fibonacci level. So fingers crossed we can see a bullish reversal for this. There was a major buyback candle here over the last 15 minutes on this 0.000017 price level, pumping back up to 0.00002. If we do get some continuation with this coin, which is going to be, you know, difficult to speculate, the 1618 Fibonacci pocket does suggest from the current price level, though, it is possible to see another 44% increase in price. However, I really would just keep this, you know, as a very high risk, high reward play. Do not degen into this. Do not risk more than you can afford to lose, of course, as well. This coin was trending in DEX tools on the ETH chain, which of course is very good for getting new and fresh eyes onto the project. we could still see a major correction. Remember, we could still drop down the 0.000017 level and come down even lower. So it's one thing to check out. What's also interesting is the developer of this token. It says here, RFD has been launched by Blur.eth, who is an OG whale and is estimated to have a net worth of 9 figures. So think about it, guys. Think about it. Some very, very greedy juggernaut in the crypto space has made this coin where you can buy it and potentially make money. But what about their holdings? What about his holdings? He's got 9 figures. Do you think he's made this coin in, I don't know, a best interest to make you money? 1 billion total supply, 0% tax? I don't know. I think behind the scenes, this is super high risk and it could potentially get rugged. So very, very high risk, high reward play, these shitcoins, like I said before. It's been 14,000 transfers. At least the supply is low. That's kind of cool to see. Now, I just want to show you how risky these coins are. So what you can do is when you're searching for these coins and you think, okay, we're on the BNB pairs right now, you can think 24-hour time frame. Oh, it hasn't been too bad. So we click here on the up arrow. And you might think to yourselves, wow, okay, crypto's doing good. But then look at all the rugs that are occurring consistently. That's the 24-hour time frame. The 6-hour time frame suggests the same thing. We're seeing so many major rug pulls where money is just getting infinitely lost forever. 100% dumps where people can't even sell. No liquidity, and it's just awful issues that are going on. You can see again on the ETH chain here, 24 hours, 83% corrections. On the 6 hour, we're getting some major corrections. Well, 100% for Root, 99.97% for Potato. So you don't want to get stuck in a coin that does this sort of thing. Yeah, ideally, that's really, really bad. Anyhow, if you're looking for a high risk, high reward play that is not a shitcoin and it's actually a pre-sale, if you think about it, Love Hate Emu recently returned our community 300% return on investment. Now, so far, AI Doge has raised 10.6 million. This is combining artificial intelligence with meme coins, everyone. So 2 mega trends in the market. I've got a link down below, so you should click that right now. Do a bit of research, due diligence, understand the white paper, look at the tokenomics, and do your own research on this coin. Like I say, it's not financial advice, but there's a good chance even coins like this can pump very, very well. So far, this project is raising $500,000 a day. It's in stage 15 of 20 of its pre-sale, and their hard cap target is $14.9 million. So I wanted to share this with you again, an update, because it will be finished in 10 days or so. You don't have long to get into it. It's on the ERC20 and BEP20 chain, so you can check it out, guys. I mean, honestly, I've got my bag of like 2k tokens, just like Love Hate Emu. I'm looking to make a 2 to 10x as always. We can see it's all about generating memes. You can mint them. You can also stake on this particular platform. You can stake AI tokens to earn daily credit rewards and access platform features, which is super cool. Very easy to buy. Like I say, link your MetaMask or Trust Wallet down below. And also a very long-term roadmap, which actually does lead in to 2024, as we can see right here, Q2 2024. In addition to this, they've got a $50 billion, well, not dollar actually, but token airdrop. And once you do purchase, you're going to get your own referral code that you can share with other communities or your friends, where you'll get a bonus for, any new acquisitions or whatever amount they buy, you get a bonus on it as well. So yeah, pretty cool ecosystem, really cool project. Check it out, the link's down below. But overall, try to resist the FOMO on these particular coins like this one right here, RFD, because you've already missed the diamond opportunity, which is being an early holder, like the first 100 holders over here, like 24 hours ago. So it's pretty crazy to see. Anyway, that's a wrap of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you are new here, do subscribe, like, comment, and make sure you get yourself down into the Discord channel as well. This is really a place to hang out during the crypto winter if you want to learn new crypto skills, analysis, gain confidence in the markets, and also network with like-minded people. See you soon, guys. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.